Hello illuminated creators, here we are in the second video, and in this video I'm using a white pen to do this. And the first thing I want to do in my paintings is really find the middle of the painting. So this is the easiest way to do it, just go from corner to corner. But then I also want a horizontal and vertical axis. And the reason for this is that it makes it easy for me to keep the sacred geometry diagrams straight on my painting. So I know this is 7 by 5, so 3.5 and then 2.5 up top. And then it's just a matter of making sure that those lines cross the center X. Because, you know, these canvases, these 7 by 5 canvases, aren't exactly 7 by 5. They're a little bit off. There we go. And there we go. And that's the center of the painting. Now I can also do a line this way. But you know, I'm going to regret making these lines because then I have to use the black paint to erase them later. And here we are. I'm going to start doing my first circle, and we'll make it about yay big. And then, which way am I going to go here? Am I going to go horizontally that way or vertically that way? And I decided to do it this way. And then I'm going to do it where the circle touches the other circle. And that creates the seed of life diagram. Just keeping it simple. And another thing that I like to do in my sacred geometry paintings is mix the circles with some straight lines, because that gives it that contrast of the really cool diagrams. And here I'm just going to put a nice triangle in at the center of the painting. And that's easily done just by following the perfectly laid out math that is already in the diagram. So this is the basic diagram for the new Sacred Geometry acrylic painting. And I'll see you in the next video where we're going to be doing a few things to it.